Save energy and money when you illuminate your home with an LED nightlight. Installation is as easy as plugging the nightlight into your preferred outlet. Equipped with light-sensing technology, the LED nightlight intelligently turns itself on and off, automatically providing light only when you need it. Plug it in once and the job is done. LED nightlights disperse warm white light to illuminate the path and keep your family safe from hazards after dusk. They're ideal for hallways, kitchens, bathrooms, nurseries, basements, and even RVs. Lighting stays cool to the touch, and there are never any bulbs to replace. It's engineered for maximum longevity and minimal energy usage. As easy as that, you can save energy and money while illuminating your home. We offer a variety of lighting products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at www.amconservationgroup.com.